How to get unbanned from Omegle. First of all, head over to the web browser that you usually use Omegle site. Let me head over to the Google Chrome. It will land you on this page. Tap on this three dot at the top right corner and then head over to settings. Scroll all the way down and head over to site settings. Tap on all sites at the top. So right here you need to search for the site of Omegle. Once you find it, head over to it. So right here what you want to do is tap on clear and reset. Once again tap on clear and reset. Once the site has been cleared, it might fix the issue that you have been facing on Omegle. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then what you want to do is to go back to the homepage of Google Chrome. Tap on this three dot at the top right corner. Move into history. Tap on clear browsing data. Now click on this little down icon right here. Select all time and then tap on clear data at the bottom. Tap on clear. Now you need to wait for a while. There you go, all of your browsing data has been cleared. Now if you go back and head over to the Omegle site, you will be able to use this site without any issue and you'll be good to go. Well, that's it, and this is simply how you can get unbanned from Omegle. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.